Marisa?
Not me. You.
Marisa, David blew your covers that you have a laptop. I'm just kidding. David didn't blow your covers. David told me about a laptop that you're not using.
That you want to connect it for the internet, for we could call.
And
right?
we want to know if you could send it to us.
Donate
Promise. We promise we're not gonna sell it. We don't do those things no more. I mean, no more.
No more.
We're changed.
We're
We are changed.
We've changed.
We've changed. And please send it to us, and we'll email you. What? Faxes or what? We'll text you.
Email.
We'll email you. Yeah, I love you. And I want to see your son.
But give us
Hello, don't be so naughty and not let him come to Mexico. Hello.
No,
he
you
does have Mexican on it.
Marisa, don't be so naughty and forget about your brother, because you haven't came like for 3-4
He
years.
is half Mexican.
I'm not mad that you didn't invite me to your wedding either, so come. Bye. Love you. You too, Jeremy.